Imagine mo 'to, nakauwi ako from Thailand to Manila for free, gamit lang ang credit card points ko. Most of us know na when we use our credit cards, we earn points and we can convert those points into air miles. Ganito ko ginawa. I use the BPI Visa Signature Card. Every time I spend, I earn points. Pero syempre, I always pay in full para no interest. Once may enough points na ako, I call my credit card provider to convert those points into air miles. Then, I use those miles to book flights, this one via Philippine Airlines. Step 3 is to book early. This is super important. For my recent Thailand trip, nagulat ako kasi ubos na agad yung mile slots for Saturday flights. So, wala akong choice. Nag-book na lang kami via Cebu Pacific papunta. Pero ang pauwi sa Pilipinas, dito na ako gumamit ng air miles. I booked a PAL flight, Bangkok to Manila, na may kasama ng in-flight meal, baggage na 30 kilograms, and may seat selector pa. Not bad for free, diba? Total gastos ko lang, around 3,500 for taxes, admin fees, and other charges. Yung base fare lang yung libre, pero sulit na sulit, diba? Key takeaways para sa'yo, first, book early. Ang intindi ko, limited slots lang per flight ang air miles. Choose the right credit card. Piliin yung card na maganda kung mataas magbigay ng points pero dapat align pa din sa lifestyle mo. And pinaka-importante, always pay in full. Huwag umutang para lang makaipon ng air miles. If you're already spending, might as well earn free flights in the process, diba? Credit cards can be a powerful tool if alam lang din natin gamitin wisely. Anong dream destination mo? Comment below. Malay mo free na din yung next trip mo.